Good morning, team. After security controls implementation CC1 to CC9, in this session we will discuss how availability part in SOC2 implemented. So these are the details control I had bring to you. Here I had distributed this Excel into two formats. Number one, uh, as a target controls which needs to be achieved, and in this section current control, that means existing controls whatever exist in the organization's part. So here sub criteria A1, this section is also called the codes, and this is the master area, or we can say the master controls, and these are the focus areas, implementations task, and these are the evidence examples which we need to collect from the teams. Okay, so this section column number A to E comes under target controls, and column number F is called the current controls exist in the organization, and column number G describes the compare the difference between comparisons of this and column number F. If gap is there, you need to simply mention as yes. As column describe the status part, I for owners part, due date means target date of completion, and evidence location or file location. So let's discuss how can we actually implement the availability controls. Okay, so let's start with A1.1 example. This is our master area, and we need to focus on the availability policy documents, where we need to collect formal documents details how the organization ensures system uptime and availability. So what is the requirement? A formal document detailing. Okay, so SOC to internal auditor to consult with their team who is managing the document owner, and later on he observed that the formal document is not reviewed uptime. So let me write here, for example, uh, okay, a policy document not reviewed regularly. Okay, spelling is not regularly. Okay, okay, as you can clearly seeing that, okay, there is a difference between column number E and F, because this is our target. As per the SOC2, the organization have a formal documents which ensure system uptime and availability. That's fine. But current status of the organization, the policy document doesn't have all this, and also not reviewed exactly. So if I can update here for your more deep analysis, policy documents doesn't have proper details about systems uptime and availability. Okay, availability. Okay, and not reviewed regularly also. Okay, great. Let me manage here. Okay, so a lot of gap between current controls and the targeted one, so you can mention as yes here. The status you can mention as not completed. Okay, owner, for example me, or in your organization whoever the owner, for example you. So I am writing here my name, Rajbir. Due date means what is the target timeline to what is the target timeline to complete this one. So I am just writing, for example, today is the 12th July. So I am just writing as a random target that, okay, 19th July. Okay, and here the evidence file location. So this is the one. Okay, similarly I am picking another example, say this one, policy logs review. Okay, so in this logs review, what is our target? Records or meeting minutes shows that policies are reviewed periodically, at least annually. So this section we already had been covered. So okay, so let me mention here. Okay, policy not reviewed annually. Okay, as you can see, clear gap is yes, same here, not completed, owner's name and all. Okay, let's take another example. So these are the controls in details. The SOC 2 internal auditors to review this targeted controls, these all controls with your organization's internal controls. Okay, and accordingly they need to maintain this. Okay, whether my organization is compliant with respect to the SOC 2 AICPA law or not. Okay, let me take another example for your easiness. Okay, this one, implementation of availability controls. Let me manage it. Okay, the first part is backup strategy. What is our requirement? Requirement is saying that regular data backups, automated manual encryption of backup, secure offsite cloud storage. Okay, so here the existing one, you observe that okay, regular data backup is happening but no strong encryption. Regular data backup is happening but no strong encryption. There is spelling the mistake. Okay, no strong encryption. So you can mention stating that, observing that okay, clear difference between these two you can mention as yes. Okay, who is the owner, like that, and later on you can consider. Okay, not completed. Let's take another example. Okay, environmental. Okay, fire suspension. This section comes under the focuses on the environmental protection, backups and all. So under environment, okay, this is called the fire suspension. Photo of the fire extension, smoke detectors, yes, available in your current organization. This is available because see, this section is for your current controls. Okay, so I am just mentioning here. Okay, you have proper fire suspension and gap no gap. Okay, no gap means completed. Understood. Okay, so like that you need to consider, you need to check all your controls here with the existing method, with the existing controls. You need to compare all this and do the gap assessment. Yes, this is also called the comparison between the existing one with the targetable one. So a kind of gap assessment, this is like what is the difference between how can you achieve and all. So this is all about the availability, but I will attach this Excel set in the description. If you wish to download, you can download please, for your easiness. And parallelly I am explaining in the video itself. Okay, so if you have any queries regarding SOC 2, regarding governance, risk and compliance, regarding ISO, or regarding any security domain, you can let me know by making the comments. I will definitely take your comments, and whatever are the possible things from my side, I will definitely bring you on the table. So guys, thank you so much. Have a nice day.